Welcome in, everybody, to another deep dive. This time, we're zeroing in on Kerns Manufacturing Core. They've been around for over 75 years, and they're still pushing the boundaries of what's possible in high-precision manufacturing. So if you're an engineer or just fascinated by how things are made, you're in for a treat. We've got brochures showcasing some seriously impressive projects. Plus, we're going to dig into their website to see what they're all about. Ready to get our hands dirty?
Absolutely. Looking forward to it, especially with Kerns. Their portfolio spans aerospace, defense, space, even marine applications. The breadth of their expertise is truly impressive.
Yeah, first impression. These guys are not messing around with the materials they use. INCO alloys, titanium, honeycomb structures. This just screams high performance, doesn't it?
Oh, definitely. We're talking about applications where failure is not an option. Extreme temperatures, demanding environments, honeycomb structures. For instance, they're lightweight yet incredibly strong, essential for aerospace where every ounce counts.
And the complexity of the stuff they build is mind-blowing. So look at this front frame. 56 components, 343 pieces, 48 inches in diameter, nickel-palladium brazing, TIG welding. It's like a symphony of advanced manufacturing techniques.
It really is. And what's remarkable is the variety of processes they employ. Electron beam welding, vacuum brazing, critical hole drilling. They're not just throwing any old tool at a problem. Each process is carefully selected to meet those really tight tolerances and performance requirements.
It's like a giant manufacturing puzzle. Each piece meticulously chosen and assembled. And then you've got their special processes. EDM, mass airflow measurement. This isn't your average machine shop, is it?
Not at all. And their accreditations speak volumes. AS9100, ISO 9001, NAD cap. These aren't just handed out. They demonstrate a rigorous adherence to industry standards.
It's impressive. And did you catch the part about them being environmentally conscious? REACH and RoHS compliant. Performance, precision AD responsibility. They're aiming for the trifecta.
Yeah, it's a testament to their long-term vision. And speaking of vision, they're expanding manufacturing to India. That's a smart strategic move.
Absolutely. Tap into a global talent pool, potentially reduce costs. It means they're thinking ahead, playing on a global scale. Yeah. Okay, hold on. This is where it gets really wild. They manufacture air ducts, balanced rotating. I'm picturing something incredibly intricate, spinning at high speeds, perfectly balanced.
Oh, yeah. Imagine the engineering challenges involved in achieving that kind of balance, especially with the materials and sizes we're talking about. It requires meticulous design, fabrication, and testing to get that right.
Right. It's not just about getting it to spin. It's about making sure it can handle the stress, the temperatures, the pressure differentials.
You're absolutely right. These components have to maintain their integrity under some pretty extreme conditions.
And we're just scratching the surface here. We haven't even touched on their work with HPT inducers and LPT seals, using materials like INCO 718 and Hastex honeycomb. That's some serious engineering.
Absolutely. And it's clear they're using the right tools for the job. Vacuum brazing, electron beam welding, honing, airflow testing. It's like they've assembled the A-team of manufacturing techniques
to make sure these components can withstand anything thrown at them.
Precisely.
So it's a multi-layered approach. It's not just building the part. It's about making sure it can survive in the real world.
Exactly.
And it's not just about exotic materials either. They're masters of titanium too. Those seal housings and seal tubes, they're using titanium strength-to-weight ratio and corrosion resistance to their advantage.
And they're not cutting corners. Glass bead peening to enhance fatigue strength, pressure testing to ensure everything is leak-proof.
It's that attention to detail that sets them apart. They understand that these components are often mission-critical. And they're not taking any chances.
No, they're not.
But here's the thing. They're not just a titanium shop or a honeycomb specialist. They're equally skilled with more traditional materials like aluminum.
Right. Their oil tank and turbine stator components are a good example of that. Dip brazing, anodizing, precision machining.
They're pushing the boundaries even with aluminum. Cold shock testing, helium leak checking. It's like they're obsessed with perfection.
They're definitely striving for excellence.
It all points to one thing. Kerns is a one-stop shop for engineers facing complex challenges, whether it's exotic materials, demanding environments, or intricate designs. They have the expertise and the commitment to get it done right.
I agree. They're a valuable partner to have.
And you know what's really exciting? They're not standing still, expanding into India, adopting new techniques like vacuum sintering and brazing. They're constantly looking ahead, pushing the envelope of what's possible in manufacturing.
It's that drive to push boundaries that really makes them stand out. You know, we've talked a lot about their technical prowess, but there's another aspect that's equally important, their commitment to their people.
You're right, their website emphasizes family and reliability. It's not just about machines and processes, it's about the people behind them.
Exactly. They understand that their success hinges on the skill and dedication of their workforce, and that creates a culture of excellence that permeates everything they do.
It's that human element, that passion for craftsmanship, that you can't replicate with technology alone.
I think that's a key takeaway for anyone listening. If you're looking for a manufacturing partner, don't just focus on the technical specs. Look for a company with a strong culture, a commitment to their people, because that's where true innovation comes from.
Well said. Kerns Manufacturing Corporation, they've got the experience,
Yeah.
the expertise, and the drive to tackle those engineering challenges that keep you up at night.
So if you're ready to push the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing, give them a closer look. You might be surprised what you can achieve together.
This deep dive has been a fascinating glimpse into the world of Kerns Manufacturing. I hope you found it as insightful as I did.
Absolutely. And for our listener, remember, innovation thrives on collaboration. Find the partners who share your passion, challenge your thinking, and help you bring your vision to life.
Until next time, keep those gears turning.